Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE S61 Pro, and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll to find this apps section. Then let's tap on see all 40 apps, of course 40 in my case, and then tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on reset up preferences, and as you can see here, your device is informing you what it will actually reset. So among others, disabled apps, default applications for actions, and any permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on reset apps, and basically this is it. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.